Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, Snowtex runs its operations maintaining all proper health precautions, inspected and approved by Inspectorio Rise, a third-party assessing platform in collaboration with BGMEA. Snowtex, the diversified and integrated export-oriented apparel manufacturer in Bangladesh, has been one of the leading garments companies since 1998. Its steady, versatile and proactive leadership resulted in Snowtex Apparels Limited in 2005 and Cut & Sew in 2011. With the concept of a modern, green and sustainable manufacturing factory, we established Snowtex Outerwear Limited in 2014 and Snowtex Sportswear Limited in 2019. Today, we are based on more than 20 acres of land with 11.5 lakh square feet of production floors and a family of more than 16,000 human resources with $250 million yearly turnover. We have 180 production lines and 11,000 machines with 2.2 million standard hours per month production capacity. Our dynamic and dedicated merchandising team creates a bridge of good relationship between our valued customers and the production units. We have a large CAD section with 2D and 3D facilities and sample section. Our world-class designing team with a European designer dedicatedly assists our customers' dreams come true. Our each and every section like cutting, printing, embroidery, quilting, sewing, and finishing is designed with the world's best technologically advanced machineries. We have a vast and organized warehouse space of nearly 2 lakh square feet facilitated with upgraded inventory system after 100% inspection. To ensure smooth shipment, we have our own C&F and logistics support. We produce a variety of jackets like Real Down, Fake Down, Turbo Down, Out Dry, Welded, Insulation, Soft Shell, Rainwear, DWR, Ski Wear, Rider, Sailing, Denim, etc. We also produce different styles of casual wear, workwear, safety wear, hunter wear, sportswear, flame retardant garments, vests, overalls, coveralls, and bottoms like cargo shorts, thermo bonding, chinos, denims, twill pants, swimming wear, rainwear, and many more. To meet the present demand, we are producing a large volume of PPE that has opened up a new era of our production capacity. We are working with a wide range of customers around the globe, which includes, but not limited to, being an eco-friendly manufacturing company, we have attained some phenomenal achievements. We use state-of-the-art and eco-friendly power generation utility system to reduce carbon emission by 85%. We are equipped with world's renowned brand machineries with the latest inverter drive servo control technology, which leads to power saving of up to 56% annually. The lighter color paving blocks reduce heat emission surrounding the factory area by 90%. VRF air conditioning system emits 0% CFC that helps to reduce ozone depletion and global warming. The on-site 290 kilowatt PV rooftop solar power can avoid carbon emission approximately by 670 kilograms per day. As part of our commitment to the environment, we always participate in various environment-friendly initiatives that are still ongoing. Our each and every member is entitled to our medical care center, day care center for children, free lunch, profit incentive bonus, attendance bonus, zero defect operator reward, maternity benefit, reward for best line, buddy support for new employee, sanitary napkins, skill development training, sports and co-curricular activities, and much more. We identify our valued members' mental stress in the work area through a happiness survey machine invented by us and take steps accordingly. Equality is given a high priority. Therefore, we provide equal opportunity to differently abled persons. We have in place technologically advanced fire equipment to ensure life safety of our valued members. Our strong security system keeps our assets safer and secured. We continuously work with our knowledge partners to improve ourselves. Our commitment and integrity to our customers made us achieve a good number of certifications. Our mission is to develop a long-term relationship with our stakeholders. We believe in be happy, make happy.